We are excited to announce stock audio integration in Premiere Pro. Access thousands of music tracks right from within the Essential Sound panel. Choose the audio workspace, then browse. Search by mood or genre to start your search, then further refine the results with subgenre or dialing in tempo and duration. And you can even choose if you want vocals. Of course, you can simply type in any keyword you want. Press play to preview the track and jump to different sections by clicking on the waveform. Sometimes the best way to see if your track feels right is to try it in your edit. With Timeline Sync, you can easily get a quick sense if the track is going to work. Your current sequence is synced with the Essential Sound panel, so you can hear what the track will sound like in your edit even before downloading it. Once you've found the perfect track, you can download a preview to edit into your project before purchasing. Simply drag the track right into your sequence. Or you can add it to your project, save it to a Creative Cloud library, or even download a file to disk to use outside of Premiere Pro. Previews are small and heavily compressed, but otherwise do not have any watermark. Once you are ready, licensing is simple. Click the shopping cart icon in the Essential Sound panel or the project panel. A high-quality WAV file is downloaded, and previews will be automatically replaced throughout your project. Credit packs can be purchased on the Adobe Stock website. Music from Adobe Stock, right in the Essential Sound panel. Available now in Premiere Pro.